Hi everyone. Today we're going to be diving into a phishing attack that almost fooled me. That's right, cybersecurity professional. This time the hackers pretended to be a recruiter, sending me a fake Zoom meeting email. So let me show you what happened and why this is dangerous and how you can protect yourself. I was recently emailed by a recruiter, and this was for a vCISO position. And oftentimes these vCISO positions don't take up much of your time. They could be as little as a few hours a week. So I was all in for it. The pay is good. And out of nowhere, I get this email with a Zoom link. Totally normal, right? Except when I click the download, it was from Zoom. So there was this nice message about thank you for, your conversation, applying, and so on and so forth. So here's how the scam worked. Number one, impersonation. The hackers set up a Gmail account with the recruiter's name. And to the untrained eye, it looked totally legit, except I clicked to see where the email was coming from, and that was the giveaway. It was a Gmail. So number two, it was a phishing email. They sent me a professional looking invite saying I needed to download Zoom to join the meeting. Number three, there was a fake installer. The download link pointed to a malicious .msi file hosted by Altera Networks Limited, not Zoom. If I had installed it, malware could have stolen my passwords, files, and even locked my system. This wasn't random. It was targeted. They used the recruiter's reputation to make me trust the invite. Today I received from the recruiter a text telling me that their account details had been compromised and the hacker used a fake Gmail address in her name. Think about that. If you've been emailing back and forth with someone, whether it be LinkedIn or the email, let's say, and suddenly you get a meeting link, you wouldn't question it. That's exactly what the hackers rely on. So how do you protect yourself from attacks like this? Easy steps. Number one, check the sender's address, not just the name. Never trust random downloads. If you need Zoom, Teams, or WebEx, download only from the site. Look for the browser join option. Zoom and other platforms always give a join from the browser button. If you don't see that, then something is fishy. And slow down. Hackers want you to act fast. If something feels urgent, pause and double check. This attack shows just how advanced phishing has become. It's not just poorly written spam anymore. Hackers are targeting professionals using real names and real companies and making everything look normal until you click. Millions of people fall every year for this. So here's my challenge to you. The next time you get an unexpected Zoom, Teams, or meeting invite, check twice before clicking once. Your awareness is the strongest firewall you've got. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe and share the video so no one you know gets tricked by a fake recruiter email. Stay safe, stay alert, and I'll see you in the next video.